Hello, welcome to the ER. My name is Rich. How can I help you? I have a pager stuck up my butt. What? I have a pager stuck up my butt. Okay. How did it get there? I put it there. By accident? Nope, I wanted it there. Uh-huh. Why? Because it feels good. Really? A pager? Yeah, every time I call it, it vibrates. Feels good. Oh. Okay then. I could usually get it out, but it vibrated too far up this time and I lost it. You're telling me this isn't the first time you've done this? Nope. Where did you even get a pager these days? I'm a doctor. It's mine. It's your work pager? Yeah. Oh. 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 I'm on call.